Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add relative padding. If you see here, you're seeing that I have this padding, which on a bigger screen is fine. But let me show you if I go to a smaller screen. So here on this screen, the size is this. And then for a smaller screen, as you can see, padding is still too much. And that is because I'm using this. Okay, I'm using 50 pixels, but for a smaller size screen, I would use something like add media screen. Okay, something like that. And then I would add something like max width 760 pixels. Then I want this to be, let's say, 25, something like that. As you can see, it's smaller now, but if I go bigger, as you can see, the old padding is now back. If I go smaller, it's now less. But then I would have to make it for every screen size, like mobile phone, tablet, etc. And obviously that is going to be a pain to keep track of everything, but there is a easier way to do that. Here you can use min, and then what you can do is specify 50 pixels, or let's go for rem, and that might be a little too much, so let's do 25 rem and 8% for this. As you can see, it's still applying. If I go bigger, as you can see, the 25 rem is still applying. So now we have this. So right now, this is when the screen size is full, the 50 pixels is working, okay? And now if I lessen the screen size, as you can see, it is lessening the padding here, okay? When the 8% of screen. When the screen is 8% or less, it is lessening the padding, okay? And you can do the exact same thing, but in reverse using max. As you can see, it's reverse now. When the screen is bigger than 8%, then you keep adding more and more padding. I go this, as you can see, padding is shrinking now as the screen size keeps shrinking, okay? But it's not going lesser than the 50 pixel, okay? So this is a way of adding relative padding or responsive padding, okay? And just to confirm this for you, just do this. And see, it's small, but when it's growing bigger than the 8%, it keeps adding more padding, but it does not go beyond the 50 pixels. But, let's say that you want to add a minimum and maximum for this, you will use clamp for that. Let's try this. So, and let's say I don't want to go, let's say 75, and let's add, let's see if this works. Okay, so it's of this right now. It should, yes, it is shrinking. Okay. Okay, but it's keeping to 75 pixels, and then when it goes down, it will shrink it. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.